Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Ever felt like your emotions were getting the best of you? Like you're about to burst from stress or anxiety? Well, you're not alone, and today, we've got your back. We're diving into some quick and effective self-soothing techniques that can help you calm down in no time. These are perfect for those moments when you need a breather, whether you're at work, school, or just having a tough day at home. So, let's get started and learn how to be our own best friends in times of stress. First up, let's talk about deep breathing. It might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Here's how you do it. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing. Close your eyes if you feel safe doing so. Now, breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath for a count of 4. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle at least 5 times. You'll likely feel a difference after just a few rounds. Next, let's explore the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. This is great when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Start by looking around and naming 5 things you can see. It could be a book, a plant, or even your own hands. Now, name 4 things you can touch. Maybe it's the softness of your shirt or the smoothness of a table. Then, identify 3 things you can hear. It might be birds chirping outside or the hum of your computer. Next, name 2 things you can smell. If you can't smell anything, think of your 2 favorite scents. Finally, name 1 thing you can taste. If you can't taste anything, imagine your favorite flavor. This technique helps bring you back to the present moment. Another helpful technique is progressive muscle relaxation. Start at your toes and work your way up your body. Tense each muscle group for about 5 seconds, then release. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. Do this for your feet, calves, thighs, stomach, hands, arms, shoulders, and face. By the time you reach your face, you should feel much more relaxed. Let's move on to visualization. This technique uses your imagination to create a calm, peaceful place. Close your eyes and think of a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a beach, a forest, or even your cozy bed. Imagine all the details, the colors, sounds, smells, and textures. Spend a few minutes in this mental safe space. You can return to this place anytime you need a quick mental break. Now, let's talk about the power of touch. Self-massage can be incredibly soothing. Try gently massaging your temples, neck, or hands. You can also try using a stress ball or fidget toy. The physical sensation can help distract you from stressful thoughts. Here's a technique that might surprise you: humming. Yes, you heard that right. Humming creates vibrations in your chest that can be calming. It also forces you to breathe more deeply. Try humming your favorite tune for a minute or 2. You might feel a bit silly at first, but give it a chance. Let's not forget about the power of music. Create a playlist of songs that make you feel calm and relaxed. Classical music, nature sounds, or soft instrumental tunes often work well. Put on your headphones and let the music wash over you for a few minutes. Here's a technique that's especially useful in public settings: hand massage. Gently massage the palm of one hand with the thumb of the other. Make small circles and apply pressure that feels good to you. Switch hands after a minute or so. This is a discreet way to soothe yourself in any situation. Now, let's talk about a technique called box breathing. Imagine tracing the outline of a square as you breathe. Breathe in for 4 counts, tracing the first side of the square. Hold for 4 counts, tracing the second side. Exhale for 4 counts, tracing the third side. Hold for 4 counts, tracing the final side. Repeat this process several times. Here's a fun one: blowing bubbles. Yes, it's not just for kids. The act of blowing bubbles forces you to take deep breaths. Plus, watching the bubbles float away can be quite mesmerizing. Keep a small bottle of bubbles in your bag for quick stress relief. Let's explore the butterfly hug technique. Cross your arms over your chest, hands on opposite shoulders. Slowly tap your hands on your shoulders, alternating left and right. This rhythmic movement can be very soothing. Continue for a minute or two, focusing on your breathing. Here's a simple but effective technique: counting backwards. Start from 100 and count backwards by 7. So you'd go 100, 93, 86, 79, and so on. This requires focus and can help distract you from stressful thoughts. Let's talk about the power of affirmations. Choose a phrase that resonates with you, like, "I am calm," or "This too shall pass." Repeat this phrase to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. Let the words sink in and believe in their truth. Now, let's discuss a technique called body scan. Start at your toes and slowly move your attention up your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you focus on each area, imagine the tension melting away. This helps you become more aware of your body and release tension. Lastly, let's not underestimate the power of a good stretch. Stand up and reach your arms high above your head. Stretch as if you're trying to touch the ceiling. Then, let your arms and upper body hang down loosely. Shake out your arms and legs. This can help release physical tension and boost your mood. And there you have it, folks. 15 quick and easy self-soothing techniques you can use anytime, anywhere. Remember, it's okay to take a moment for yourself when things get tough. These techniques are here to support you through those challenging times. Which technique do you think you'll try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on mental health and self-care. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and remember, you've got this.